Hopefully we're gonna get the motor down in there. Drop my battery down in that front hatch. I'm gonna drill a hole through here and put my connector for my battery. And then run this line, this cable connector drops right into the air. This black tubing to go around the positive and the negative for the battery terminal. I'm gonna cut the heads off of these 2 wires and mount it to here. What? 50-pound thrust motor, 13.5 field 2 kayak. Got some roof mounts right there. Installed the rudder myself. Pretty easy. Foot adjustments. It's coming along. The motor actually came with a 3-prop propeller, but 3 props. I won't be able to take the motor in and out of here with a 3-prop propeller. Doesn't fit, so I ordered a 2-prop. That should be coming in the mail in the next few days. But yeah, that's it. The motor's gonna go down in between this sonar pod. I'm gonna drill a hole here, drill a hole at the bottom of the sonar pod, pop the head of the motor off, push the shaft of the motor through the box of the sonar pod so that the motor is in the center of the kayak. If I come up where I'm in like 2 feet, 3 feet of water, you can easily just pop this up and just lift the motor up out the water. But that's my plans. We'll see how I end up. But this is a 50-pound thrust Newport trolling motor. Brand new out the box. Powder is Assassin, made out of carbon fiber. Strong and light. Perfect for what I'm gonna be doing. But yeah, that's my feel free 13.5. Summer 2019, coming soon. Stay tuned, people.